other sang a ragtag gypsy, oh. It was upstairs, downstairs the lady went, but understood I will love her, oh. And there came a cry from around the door, she's away with the ragtag gypsy, oh. To the Lord, she's away with the ragtag gypsy, oh. And saddle for me, my milk white steed, my big horse is not speedy, oh. And I will ride till I seek me bride, she's away with the ragtag gypsy, oh.
Tus labios tan rojos, quiero tomarte en mis brazos, llevarte despacio, hacerte sentir cuánto te amo. Quiero decirte al oído ese piropo prohibido. Quiero escribirte unos versos y ser el primero en tu corazón adolorido. Qué buena eres. Qué buena eres.
Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We gon' drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes, and baby, I'm a fireball. Or should I say I saw, I conquered, I came. This little chico on fire, he ain't no lie. Well, y'all slipping, he's running the game. Now big bang boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice little shade. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way. I was born in a plane. I'ma say every word on my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm running out, I never am. Right here don't play. That boy's from the bottom of the map. MIA USA. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way.
This song is dedicated to all those guys who want to fall in love with a pretty face, with love and a beauty. So don't be deceived by good love. For things that won't break his heart. But if you make an ugly woman your wife, you'll be happy for the rest of your life. An ugly woman cooks bills on time. She'll always give you that piece of mind with the right man.
The party was packed, I'm talking back to back.
on väga hea, te võtsite aplausi ka kohe kaasa, et oleks kindla peale minek, jah. Tahatsegi, et nii head aplausi pole täna veel kellelegi.